In this lecture, we'll learn how to download Fusion 360. So for this, we'll be working on the Autodesk website, and we will take a look at options for free licenses, Fusion Limited, educational licenses, free 30-day trials offered by Autodesk, and also the subscription plans available. So to do this from your desktop, if you open up your browser, but today I'm working in Chrome, and in the search bar, if we enter Autodesk and then click search, you should then see the very first option is autodesk.com. So this is the American site. It should be exactly the same either in Europe or elsewhere in the world. Once the link has opened, we want to come up to the very top where we've got products. Click the drop down there, and then immediately Autodesk will be promoting their packages. So a package for CAD design here, including various softwares, package for architecture, construction, media, entertainment, and so forth. You'll also see on the right, got start a trial, download your softwares, which you need to be already in possession of a license for, and various other options. But for now, we want to come down to view all products and take a look in depth at the options available for Autodesk Fusion. So let's click here. Once the page opens, if you scroll down, you'll see all the various Autodesk softwares, starting off with AutoCAD, AutoCAD Lite, Fusion, which we'll be focusing on today. They've got packages in here as well, Autodesk Inventor, 3ds Max, and so forth. But as I say, today we're going to be focusing on Autodesk Fusion. And immediately they're trying to promote their subscription plans. We're not so much interested in that for now. Let's take a look at all the options. So let's select Fusion, left click once. And now we're starting to see more of the available options to us. So immediately at the start here, we have the option to download a free trial. And then down here again, they're promoting their subscription options. Let's go and download a free trial, left click once. And then within the free trials, there are 3 options. Now, number 1 is a free 30-day trial, and that's the full package, so all features and all functionality. And I would recommend downloading this package if you are investigating Fusion, if your company is interested in Fusion, or you're thinking about pursuing CAD design with Fusion. The next option we've got is what I call Fusion LT, Fusion Lite, Fusion Limited. This is really for hobbyists. So this is a free license, okay, free access to Fusion. However, it does have limited functionality. It is more intended for hobbyist users. I've never used the limited version of Fusion, and I wouldn't really recommend it because we don't want to be running into any limitations when we need to use perhaps certain tools or features or methodologies when we're working in CAD. And then the last option available here, and this is another free license type, this is for educational use. So if you are a registered student at an educational institution, you can have free access to a full, complete license. So full features, full functionalities for students, and also educators as well. So if you are teaching engineering or such, or you're teaching at an educational institution, you can unlock educational access here. I do believe you need to provide some sort of documentation or proof that you are a registered personnel at such an institute. And then once approved, you will have access to the full license. So in terms of downloading Fusion and acquiring an appropriate license, it depends on where you stand currently. I would always recommend starting the free trial, whereas if you're a student or an educator, jump straight into an education license. Or if you are working for a business and you're intending to use CAD software for the purposes of business development, it will be worth looking into a subscription plan. And if we come down to the 3 plans here, I would definitely recommend the 1-year annual license. So right now it is a discount of $476 per year, which equates to about $40 per month. So depending on your circumstances, you can select the appropriate, either a license, or you can select the free trial. So if we select start a free 30-day trial. So from here, you can enter your email address, register an account, and then once that's complete, you can come up to products, come across to download your software. And then from there, you need to sign in and you'll be able to download Fusion 360 under that appropriate license. Okay, I hope that all makes sense. Any issues, please send me a message. Aside from that, I will see you in the next lecture.